Precious baby. Like I was saying the other time, just grieve for me, and you will enjoy. I'm a rich man, I have cars, I have mansion, I'm financially buoyant, money food is king.
Will you keep quiet?
When you just agree to be my girlfriend, you have an unlimited enjoyment. You go to enjoy,
Continue.
because I'll take you out, we'll visit different places of interest, both home and abroad, we'll go on tour. Only one weekend, you know, go be like Nigeria girl again.
She what?
I'm telling you.
Not be juju be that.
See, me, I can take my breakfast in Nigeria, I decide to take my lunch in UK and my dinner in USA.
Continue.
Because the money day.
What type of plane is this?
Just say yes, I agree to be your girlfriend. You go notice one kind of wealth breeze go blow you. Breeze of wealth go just blow you.
This man.
Okay, I have agreed to be your girlfriend.
Yes! Finally!
Oh, Mumu, not too much. Hey! I hear me.
Child, there is God. Oh.
Oh, no.
More music on trendybeats.com.
Oh na. The Swiss are not. I stop every honey.
Apostle, we hear of this. Jesus! Funka! Not be juju be that.
What type of plane is this?
Today guy ain't even sweet self. This morning you don't come out, now evening you remain. Thank God say I never saw the guy finish. The remaining one soak up for evening.
What type of plane is this?
Hey, but sugar don't finish oh. Yeah, soak am with salt like that, sleep. Life no hard. Now you won't flex.
You be Mumu.
Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't know like this one, so you're gonna like the next one. I promise. Just subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Thank you and love. See you next time.